Okay, this run of show is a special one, and I'm filming this to be pulled out of the cupboard. That moment that you're really thinking about driving RSVPs, and you're thinking, man, I got like 8 to 10 weeks ahead of me of trying to go through a promotional cycle. What I'm hoping this can do is just jog your memory on all the different channels you have available to you. But what I will say is that if you're watching this video, my guess is you have very little time to listen to me. So as opposed to going into a long, drawn out kind of tirade of ideas, let's instead put 2 minutes on the clock. Good. And let me just rattle ideas at you, and hopefully some of these work. Okay, 2 minutes is on the clock. You ready? Okay, let's go. First, and probably the best idea is a host committee. Have you found people who know a lot of people, and have you incentivized them to drive RSVPs with like a VIP dinner or some sort of special access or some sort of discount or comp code? Communities. Have you found a great community that you can actually go and speak to and promote the event live or offer a discount code? Those could be school groups or meetups, any kind of group that actually congregates. Have you spent time on digital? Have you pushed on SEO? Have you pushed out any SEM? Have you thought about that? Could you enlist an agency to help you drive? Have you really thought through like a promotional strategy in email, like one that has like urgency through price breaks and announcements of speakers? Have you really thought that all the way through? And have you created almost an A/B test of that, one that you can actually track people all the way through the funnel? Have you worked partners? Have you thought about like really holding your partners accountable, making sure that they're driving RSVPs, making sure they're tweeting, spreading the word? Have you reached out to press and PR? Have you thought of a story that that could actually release before the event? And have you reached out to people at PR agencies who are clearly connectors and seeing if they would come and commit to come, maybe even be on the host committee? Have you enlisted your sales, your outbound team, your BDR team, maybe your talent team to actually put this in their cadence? And have you incentivized them with leaderboards, maybe with even compensation or with prizes for who drives the most opportunity into the room? Have you reached out to your executive team? Have you really sat down with your executives and said, hey, I'm gonna watch as you invite or create a list of people to invite? That's really powerful. Have you thought about your own properties, like your website, your chatbots, maybe even inside of your product, maybe some sort of onboarding videos, any kind of newsletters? Have you thought about that? That's a really effective tool to get in people's faces. And you know what? Have you said your value prop, your clear value prop over and over again, but in different ways? I mean, that is the number one way to do this. How much time do I have left, Mike? 10 seconds. Well, we can stop it now. I mean, look, at the end of the day, probably the most important thing you can do is also know that many of your RSVPs are going to come in the last 2 weeks. So maybe an important move is also to relax just like a little bit. You're going to sell this thing out. You know, I mentioned one thing at the end there that I do want to double click on, which is a clear value prop. I've been thinking about the power of a clear value proposition. And so in the next upcoming video, what I'm going to do is walk through how some of the top event marketers think about building out their value proposition. So definitely check that out if that concept is unclear or if you just need a refresher on it. Oh man, thanks for taking all this time during your promotional cycle. I know it's going to all work. So best of luck at the event. I look forward to my invitation. Bye.
Craving more event content? If so, subscribe below and you can check out more episodes of Run Up Show Weekly.